children, I hope you all are fine. Today for our English, we are going to do revision for your second midterm test. To begin with, we'll write true or false for these sentences. So I want you to write the full sentence when you write the exam. Birbal told Akbar that no ordinary man could survive the cold of the river. That is true. Write the full sentence and write true. The washerman's wife encouraged him to spend the night in the river. That is false. Number 3, a courtier told Akbar that the river was not really cold. That is true. Birbal convinced the emperor to give the washerman his reward. True. So write the full sentence and write in the rough note. Next, tick the correct option. You can write this as a fill-up. Zebra's sister was called Palomino. That's all. Write Palomino, underline the answer. You don't have to write stallion, mule, all this not necessary. You know the correct answer, write the correct answer, underline it. That's enough. Number 2, mule was known to be stubborn and hardworking. Stubborn and hardworking, full stop. The king of the animal world called all the animals to decide how the animal kingdom should be ruled. So the other two options you don't have to write. Little zebra did not go for the meeting because he found it difficult to get up early in the morning. Full stop. Write the whole. He found it difficult to get up early in the morning. That you have to underline. Now fill in the blanks with EE, IE, EI or EA. Underneath EA, learn the spellings for all these words. Mischief, IE. Dreadly, dreadly, EA. Sieve, IE. Thief, IE. Knee, EE. Receive, EI. Weigh, EI. Wheelbarrow, EE. Quiet, EIE. Speak, EA. Cheers, EA. Write each of the spelling minimum 5 or 10 times in your rough note. Now complete this table. Cold is given. You have to write colder. To that you have to write ER and the last one EST. Cold spelling is already there. To that you have to write ER is comparative, EST is for superlative. The same column you draw and write as it is written in the book. Strong, stronger, strongest. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. So stronger, all that ER, EST, that's all. But big, bigger, double G. And thinner, double N. Underline the verb in these sentences. Write the full sentence, then you underline. Hop is a verb. Kangaroos hop from place to place. Mother kangaroo carry their babies in a pouch. Carry is a verb. Tim sings in the school choir. Sings, it is a verb. Underline sings. Ahan painted the beautiful picture. Painted, verb. A leaf fell from the tree. Fell. It is a past tense of fall. Mrs. Wang speaks Hindi fluently. Speaks is a verb. Now fill in the blanks with is, am, or are. A-R-E-R. The minister is in his house. We are very happy with you, young man, said Akbar. The princess is very kind. An apple is red in color. Where are the rest of the birds? A-R-E-R. The baby is sleeping. I am happy to meet grandpa. This is very, very important. I want you to write each sentence minimum 10 times or more also. It's okay in your rough note until you learn write the correct spelling. Write the correct spellings, okay? Okay, complete these sentences. The first one, Peter Rabbit lived with his family in a sand bank. S-A-N-D, sand bank, B-A-N-K, bank, under a big fir tree. F-I-R, fir, B-I-G, big, tree, T-R-E-E, tree, full stop. Number 2, Mrs. Rabbit warns the children not to go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Full stop. Go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Write neatly, write on the line, keep a full stop. Popsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail went down the lane to gather blackberries. Learn the spelling. Down the lane to gather blackberries. Naughty Peter ran straight. Learn the spelling for straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight to Mr. McGregor's garden. Full stop. Mr. M-R. M capital. McGregor. M-C. Capital M. Gregor. G capital. Full stop after garden. 5. In the garden, Peter ate lettuce, beans and radishes. Then the spelling for lettuce, L-E-T-T-U-C-E, lettuce. Beans, B-E-A-N-S, beans, and radishes, R-A-D-I-S-H-E-S, radishes. Next, when Mr. McGregor saw Peter, he began to shout and chase after him. This memory poem, the first 8 lines. So write kangaroos or hoppity, H-O-P-P-I-T-Y, hoppity. Kangaroos are fun. If you want to catch a kangaroo, you will really have to run. Kangaroos are jumpy, bounding over the plain. You can't hold down a kangaroo cause C capital, in front of C there is a comma, inverted comma, cause he'll bounce up again. Full stop. Remember to write the poet's name. John Cotton, J-O-H-N, John Cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, Cotton. John J capital, Cotton C capital. And this is your revision portion. In this, I think we have completed up to page number 56A. The remaining we'll cover it in the next class. So have a good day, children. Prepare well, write everything, practice all the answers in your rough note. Prepare yourself well. All the best. Have a good day, children. Bye.